Alright, so I laid out the sprocket here with 3 of the bolts were still good. I got those out, but one of them did strip out, so I got a new one of those. And then here is the brake disc, which I got all new bolts for because the other ones were just junk. And I got new nuts too right there. And then for the back of the swing arm, got nuts right here, or bolts, my bad. And then, I don't know, there's like a seal or something too that goes on it. So, got all that stuff. Time to put the sprocket and the brake disc on. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys a quick comparison here. So, got the new axle in here, new sprocket on. I just got to tighten these nuts yet. So the new sprocket on, the new axle hub carrier with new hubs on both sides with the fresh painted swing arm. And then here's what was in there before: the axle, sprocket, the sprocket hub, the disc hub. That's the old axle carrier. And then you can see just how bad those hubs were and why everything needed to be replaced. So the axle had grooves on it too, if you guys remember, and then this end was mushroomed, and so just wasn't worth fixing it for just getting a new one. And it looks way better. Like, this one's just all old and getting rusty and dirty, so it was definitely worth just spending a little bit extra and just getting new stuff in the rear. That way it has a brand new rear end in it. Like, the only things I reused was, 3 of these bolts so far. I did get 1 new bolt, and then these nuts, and then the brake bracket, and then the swing arm. Everything else that you see right here was replaced. So I did manage to get the brake disc off. I had to drill out one of these, and then I got all new bolts for that. So I still got to get the brake on there, and then the caliper with the new brake pads. But it's all fitting really nice, which is really good. So I just wanted to show you guys the old thing that I pulled out of here, and it's gonna be quite the difference. But if you guys remember, I bought this thing all torn apart, so everything was already out of it when I bought it. Like, this was how it was. And obviously I took the front end apart, but that was the only thing that was together. There was nothing in the rear end. And then, I did all the linkage, painted the swing arm, and then now I got the brand new rear end in it. And now I'm just gonna get this put on there, and then here's the rear caliper. I don't know, I was gonna clean it up or whatnot. As you can see, I already started. So I already got the new brake pads in there also. So, and then got the rotors for the front hubs, and just gonna keep on plugging and chugging here, guys. Alright guys, so I got the sprocket all tightened up now, even the nuts on the back, and I got the brake disc on here now with the bolts tight and the nuts all tightened up on the back. And so now it's just the bolts that go back here. And then I also got new brake caliper bolts, and I gotta clean up the brake caliper and get the brake caliper put on here, and then probably gonna have to bleed that out because I took it off, and so then get that bled out. And then once the hubs are done, I just started painting the rear hubs, but the front hubs are all painted. So I did these the other way around. So the front ones I did the other way, so I was just able to put them on the studs like that, but these ones I had to wait for the bottom to be dry before I flipped them around. So the other side's dry, but now I gotta paint this side, the side that you're gonna see from the side of it through the wheel. And those ones are all painted, so those ones will be done in an hour, but I still gotta put like 4 coats on those. So the rear end's gonna be a while, but I gotta start working on the front end. So I got one of the wheels right there that I'm about to start cleaning up and make that rim shine again. And then I got the front brake pads all in here, all nicely. The old ones weren't too bad. They were probably at 30% though. So got those changed out. And then probably, I don't know, I might put the chain on it right now actually. And then the brake, which I already said. Just want to clean it up and stuff. And then I gotta adjust the e-brake for this thing so it doesn't push my caliper too tight. And that's the update for you guys. So just waiting on the painted stuff. I got the grill for the front bumper right here, so this should also be done in like an hour, and then that's gonna go right in there, and then the front bumper can go on. So as far as the front end, I'm just waiting for those hubs to dry, and then I can just bolt these right back up to them and put them on, get the calipers bolted up. And I want to get these front tires cleaned up. Here's the other one. And then the front end will be done. And then as far as the rear end, it's just waiting on those hubs, so it probably won't be done until tomorrow. But cleaning up that rear caliper might take a minute too. And then I gotta run the chain, which I don't think it should be too bad. And then get the rear wheels cleaned up for that, and then get those on. And then I'm probably gonna try and put the side things on, or at least get them bolted up, them right there. And then I might just clean up the plastics and see what I need for that. That's gonna be a big thing also. So definitely gonna be cleaning up the rims and the plastics. And I gotta see what kind of mounts I'm missing, like I mentioned earlier, because one of them was for sure broken, and probably missing the other one because I'm sure there's supposed to be brackets off of there. So there it is, guys. Gonna be getting all that stuff at least cleaned up for the next video, and waiting for the paint to dry. So I'm gonna start on the rim right here. Alright guys, so I got the last coat on the rear hubs, and I picked everything up, and so now I gotta wait for these to dry. So probably gonna wait till tomorrow for that. But I did get, oh, you guys saw it because the GoPro is so wide, but I did get the grill on the bumper. Oh, look at that. And I did get the front hubs on it. So here you guys go. That's how it looks. I think that bumper is gonna look awesome once the plastics are finally on it and everything. And then you won't really see the hubs anymore unless you look at it from the side. But that looks awesome. It could have turned out a little bit better, but I mean, I think it'll do just fine. And plus, I'm not going to paint them for a third time. Like, you know, I'll just take what I got. So, I got the rotors all mounted on these, and nuts and cotter pins already all on there. Just need to put the calipers on, which would only take, 30 seconds. So, a minute. And then, I didn't get the tires cleaned up at all yet, but, do that tomorrow. And then I can get the front tires back on, and then the front end's all done. And then I can move on to the rear end. Still gotta put the chain on it, and then the rear brake and the caliper, and getting the bolts in the swing arm, and then cleaning up putting the hubs on, and then cleaning up the rear tires. So I gotta clean up all the wheels tomorrow. And then I also got the battery cover on there, looking all nice. And then I got the gas tank bolted down. So it's coming together. Hoping tomorrow to have it actually sitting on all four wheels again. So that'll be a first, and I'm sure a while, because like this thing, the guy I got it from didn't even run because mice got in it. So that's how long it's been apart for. And yeah, so it's gonna be exciting to get it on all of its wheels again, but gotta wait for the rear hubs to dry. So it's getting kind of late, so I'll finish that up tomorrow, and I don't know, I'm gonna do a little bit more work here, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, so last night I got the calipers all bolted back up and everything. So now, just once the front tires are cleaned up, they can go back on, and then the front end will be done. And then I got the chain on there, which really sticks out. I didn't think it was gonna stick out that much, which, I mean, that's kind of what I was going for, so that's awesome. And you know, definitely I moved the axle hub, or the carrier, and tightened it, and then got these bolts through there and the seal in the middle, and so that's all good. And then I still gotta clean up the caliper and put that on there, but